here in China it's afternoon too. It's 3:50 p.m.
3:50 p.m. But right now in my country,
Uh,
Bangladesh, 1:50 p.m.
2 hours.
Yeah,
I need 2 hours.
perhaps 2 hour difference between Bangladesh and
Yes.
China. So you have a shop or like selling clothes.
Yes, I have shopping for baby clothes. You can see the product. Uh, it's bottle for baby.
Yeah, bottles for baby. So how about your selling? Is it
Mm,
good?
yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I need tired. You can see. All time I'm working from 9 a.m. to 5 or 5:30 p.m. So about 8 hours.
Yeah,
Sometimes I,
such a long time
yeah.
you are like working. So you are
Yes. And
you
today,
you are the owner of this shop.
oh yes, is owner is my shop. Yeah, I'm the boss here,
Great,
and
great.
just me.
So you are like a
Yes.
businessman, a little businessman.
No, it's just for the life. I mean, it is just a work. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
as far as I know, Chinese people are too much hardworking person because they wanna lead their life in busy way. They are working hard.
Yes, because we have no choice. No matter you are boy or girl, you need to work hard after school. Okay.
You can see
So
this is like a t-shirts which made of China.
oh, it's made in China. Oh,
Yeah,
maybe made in Guangzhou, in Guangdong province. So many factory. Yeah.
yeah. Garments factory are available in China. Many.
Yeah. Made in yes, because honestly has so many person in China, and working hard every day. So and the clothes and the food, yes, it's cheap in China. Yeah.
Yeah. Um,
But but still, maybe I need to. I don't know.
you know,
Delivering.
I am using a Vivo mobile, which is also made of China. Vivo brand.
Yeah, yeah. It's phone, okay?
Yeah, phone,
It's mobile phone.
mobile phone
Huh?
company.
Hello.
I have
Made in China, Huawei.
yeah, I have two mobile phones which are made of China. I have two Vivo
Oh,
mobile.
yes. And Huawei made phone, mobile phone. Huawei. Yellow, red print.
Hawaii. Yeah,
Huawei. Yes, Huawei.
Hawaii.
Mobile phone.
Realme,
Mm.
Hawaii, Vivo. Realme, Hawaii, Vivo, Redmi.
Mm-hmm.
I know because this mobile phones very popular in my country.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.